Hey everyone, I wanted to introduce you to what online learning looks like. I'm going to walk you through what our next 3 weeks are going to be and give you an example of what you'll have to do and show you where things are at. So first, I've added a couple new tabs you'll notice into Blackboard. The first one is this flexible learning modules. That's really where you will find your assignments for each of these 3 weeks that we plan to be off campus. The second one I want to point out is these 5-minute accountants. These 5-minute accountants, if I click here, hopefully this will not look like this. This will give you, if you click on it, it should look like this. It'll give you links to topics in each of these chapters. These include quick 5-minute videos that cover the topics that sometimes we have the hardest issues with, or we just need a quick reminder on how to do something. You can click on these and get a quick video on how to do that. So hopefully that's helpful. If I click into these flexible learning modules, you'll find 3 weeks. Remember, we do have spring break the week of the 23rd, so there are no assignments during that week. In each folder, you'll find what you're supposed to do for that week. In week 1, we just have one assignment. This is a Wiley Plus assignment, which can be done in Wiley Plus. But if you have issues getting into Wiley Plus, just let me know and I can either send you a paper copy through an email or even regular mail if we need to. Whatever it is, we can work with you to get these assignments done. So each week you'll have something that looks like this in weeks 1 and weeks 2, which cover week 1 will cover those first 4 chapters we worked on as a review of the debits and credits and the whole accounting cycle. Week 2 will cover what we just did and help get you ready for that next exam. And week 3 will just look at trying to get you studying and prepared for that next exam that we'll take when we are back on campus. So again, take a look through each of these folders, take a look at those assignments, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.